Hi, I'm Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and right now I'm going to show you the Scarab 255 ID. This is a really popular boat for us here in Texas. Obviously jet boats do a great job in Texas anyway, but this is a 25-foot overall length boat. It has twin 300 horsepower Rotax engines, 1.7 liters, so a total of 600 horsepower. We order all of the boats with ballast systems and surf plates. So this boat is great for water sports, great for a family runabout. It's got a great ride. This particular boat obviously has the Mocha interior. We order all of our Scarab boats with the Kicker premium sound system. So you've got Kicker speakers throughout the boat, subwoofer amplifiers. All of the speakers have blue LED lights inside of them, so it looks really cool when it's lit up at night. This boat's got a really cool feature too. Basically right now you have your full bench seating on the sides, but if you would rather use it as two forward and back facing seats, you can store that cushion away and somebody can sit there. When you've got it flipped out like this, that's a great place to store shoes and purses. There's also a fill-in cushion that drops in here to make a full U-shaped seating across the boat. Coming forward in the boat, it's got a massive ski locker. Opens from the right side as well. You've got two rear-facing seats facing back so you can watch people doing water sports. Really nice captain's and passenger seat with flip-up bolsters. Going to the dash, we have a touchscreen dash system. It's got GPS functions. You control the stereo. It does have driver control and driver speed functions. So you can set how you want the boat to pull water sports, at what speed, and how aggressive you want it to be. It does have full ballast systems. Great boat for just running out on the lake, doing some family water sports. And this thing moves. This is over a 60-mile-an-hour boat, so it does have some speed. We order all of them with Kicker tower speakers. In the front of the boat, you've got a ton of seating. You've got a ladder in the front and anchor storage, and obviously storage under all the seats. One really neat feature of the Scarab IDs as well is that a frameless windshield, so there's no aluminum frame on the bottom side of the windshield. Makes it quite a bit cleaner. It also gets away from that whistling noise that you're going to get at 60 miles an hour. Large head compartment on this boat. We do order it with a pump out head and upgraded sink inside. Can't stress enough, guys, this boat is a tremendous value for the size and this kind of speed and what it actually can do. It just doesn't have a competitor. Feel free to come by MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas, or you can see us 24 hours a day at marinemax.com.